Easily create the custom window valances you've always wanted. The Facet Straight TraceShaper is the precision fabric shaping tool that makes it possible. With this patented system, simply slide, position, and trace the form to size and shape custom valances for almost any window size, shape, or configuration. Use the same reusable Facet Straight TraceShaper throughout your home, adjusting the span, shape, and fabric to create valances for different rooms, windows, and layouts. Fusible backing and lining create crisp, structured panels with a professional finish. Add trim to complete the shaped edge, and then slide the finished valance onto a simple curtain rod to hang. The Signature Design Companion gives you designer-level guidance at a glance for polished custom results. Step-by-step video tutorials guide you from fabric selection to finished valance. Create custom valances with professional shape, structure, and finish. Traceable Designer is powered by the TraceFit system, a patented slide and trace method for creating custom window treatments with confidence.